In this video, I will discuss about a continue statement in the Python. Continue statement is used to skip the current iteration from the for loop or a while loop, and also it moves to the next iteration in the for loop or a while loop. If you look at this below example, so this will print the I value from 1 to 9 if this particular if condition is not there. After adding if condition, whenever I value is 3, it will skip running the rest of the code in that particular iteration. Say for example, in the real time, whenever there is some condition, you want to skip running the couple of lines of code. In that situation, you can use the continue statement. The output of this example would be, it will start printing 1, 2, and it will never print the 3 value, and it will start printing 4, 5, 6, 7 and till 9. Now let's look at the examples for the continue statement in the Python. Here I will create a new Python file under chapter 2 as 06 continue statement .py. I will go to the break statement.py file. Simply I will copy this code and I will paste it in the continue statement py file. I will say just continue loop. So simply here I will replace the line number 5 break with the continue keyword. So what it does is, so it will print the output from 1 to 4 whenever I value is 5. So it will not run the line number 5. It will not print the 5 and it will again go to the next iteration. So it will print the 6, 7 and 8 and 9 also. So let's quickly run this program. And if you see the output here, so firstly 1 is printing, 2 is printing, 3 is printing, 4 is printing, but 5 is not printing here, right? So here we are using a continue statement. So it is skipping the execution of next lines whenever this condition is met. So simply it is coming out of this iteration and it is moving on to the next iteration, that is I value as 6, and it is printing the I value 6 here, then 7, 8 and 9. At last it is executing the line number 7 here. So this is how you can use the continue statement in the Python.